Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Today's really exciting for me. I'm unboxing something on my channel for the first time, so I hope you guys like it. It's the winter FabFitFun box. It's huge, like it barely fits in the video. And if you want more unboxing videos, if you love FabFitFun videos, like this video so I know, and don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have you stick around. Thank you so much, and let's get into the video. So this is what it looks like. It is huge. I'll link everything below if you're interested on how to get your own box. But this is what it looks like when you open it up. It's beautiful. So the first, as you guys know, I love hair care and skincare and have a lot of that on my channel. So the first thing is this Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask, intense care for dry and damaged hair. This is what it looks like, and it retails for $49, and you could have gotten one of these three at the top here. So everyone gets to pick the first three, but if you're a yearly subscriber, then you get to pick even more. So I chose this one. So it says it's made with pure Moroccan argan oil, enriched with keratin and sulfite free. So it looks like a really good mask, and it's huge, full size. So I love that. So that retails. So this retails for $49, so already just what I paid for the box, which is crazy in the first item. The next thing is this Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. Wow, the packaging on it is beautiful. And I've heard nothing but good things about this brand, the Oribe brand, but they're really expensive. This retails for $44, so I'm super excited to use this. It doesn't have parabens, sulfites, or sodium chloride, and it's color and keratin treatment safe, UV protection for hair, vegan, cruelty free, and gluten free. So I am so excited about this. This package is gorgeous, and I chose it or the necklace, so I put that up close. So I chose that, so I'm super excited about that. The next thing I chose as well is this Sherrie Matthews acupuncture jade roller, which retails for $45. I'm super excited about the jade roller hype. I'm all into skincare, so I'll try it and see if it works. So I'm super excited to try this. I'll have to do a review on it and let you guys know. So you could have chose the socks, the jade roller, or the pure palette. And what I love about FabFitFun, like this is only my first box, but what I already love about it so far is that you can choose things, so you know you're gonna like some of the things that you're getting for sure. The next thing that I got is these Burke body sliders here. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not excited about these. I probably won't use them. I'll probably just put them in a giveaway or give them away. I just don't see myself using them. They're kind of like a plastic plate feeling thing for exercises, but I would have. This is why next time I'm going to become a annual member, because when you're an annual member you can choose more, and I would have liked to choose the coasters or that Bite lipstick. I love Bite lipsticks, but I got this, so I'm just going to become an annual member, and then I can box these for you every season because I already know I really like it, and then I'll get to choose, so I know for sure that I'm gonna like what I get. See myself using it, so I'll give it away to someone or give it as a gift or whatever. And the next thing is Marissa for Anthropology Beauty Coconut Sugar Sea Whip Body Cream. Really happy about this. So this, it retails for $24. Oh, sorry, the sliders retail for $18. This retails for $24, and I'm obsessed with hand creams. I use them every night, so I'll definitely use this, and I'm super excited about it. It says that it's got sea whip extract, sea salt, and dead sea salt. So it has pretty good ingredients, so I'm excited, and I love the smell of coconut and sugar cookies and all that, so I'm sure I'll love this, so I'm excited to use that. The next thing is this Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. Woo! This is another thing I'm really excited about. I've used their hand creams before, and they're super nourishing and nice, so I can't wait to use this. It's like a hydrating mask that you leave on for 3 to 5 minutes or overnight. It's good for sensitive skin, allergy tested, and paraben free. Super excited about this. I have really dry skin, so this came at the perfect time. So this is for $33, and everyone gets this in their box. So I'll have linked under below a link if you want to sign up to get your own box. I think if you use my link, you get $10 or $15 off. I'm not sure, but I'll just have it linked underneath. And this is the next thing. It's this Thrive Causemetics Bright Eye Brightener in Stella. It's $24. It's a ring light technology brightening highlighting stick, which is vegan, cruelty-free, sulfate-free, and toxin-free. Super excited about this. I love highlighters, as you can tell, and I also am really excited because this is like a stick form too, and it's like a really nice champagne color. Doesn't have any smell. Champagne colors always work super good for my skin tone, so I'm really excited about this as well. So this is retailing for $24. The next thing that I got are these black eye masks with hyaluronic acid. So this is what they look like. It's a package of how many? 5 of them. Wow. 5 masks, so that's pretty good. Hyaluronic acid is known for being hydrating, so I'm sure I'll like these as well. I love to do eye masks like on a night in. It's really relaxing, and these retail for $29, and I love that you get 5 and not just 1 or something, so I love that. So everyone gets these 3 items in their box, and then the other ones you can customize. You can customize more if you're a yearly subscriber, so I'll probably do that next time for sure. And then the last thing, this beautiful blanket. It's like gray, like a light gray color, and it's so soft. From Mark and Graham Personalized Gifts, a really nice blanket. So that's perfect. I'll use that as well. So that's everything that I received in my box. The rest is just packaging. So comment below, what did you guys get in your box? I'm super impressed with this box. Like, this is my first one, and I'm already sold. Like, everything in here values for way more than the $49.99 that I paid. I think I used a coupon code, so it was like $39 or something. And I'm just really impressed with everything. Everything's like good quality, cruelty-free, paraben-free, relevant brands, relevant things for winter, like all hydrating and nice things for winter. So I'm super obsessed with this box. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great holiday. Let me know, do you guys get FabFitFun? And if you love this unboxing and you want to see more just like this video, so I know. Thank you so much and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Happy holidays, and I hope you enjoy it with your friends and family, and have a great day. Bye.